In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join group on Facebook without anyone knowing. First, open your browser and go to facebook.com. If you're not already signed in, log in so you can access your homepage. Before we dive in, a quick note about privacy. Facebook doesn't send a broadcast to all your friends when you join a group, but your membership can still be visible on your profile and to other members of that group. Choosing the right type of group and staying mindful of what you post are the best ways to keep things low key. From your Facebook homepage, look for the groups section in the main navigation. On desktop, it's usually in the left sidebar. Click groups to open the groups hub. This is where Facebook organizes the groups you're in, requests and suggestions. Next, click Discover. The Discover page shows recommended groups based on your interests, friends, and pages you follow. You can browse by category or use the search bar at the top to find something specific. This is an easy way to explore without interacting publicly yet. When you see a group that looks right, select it to open the groups page. Take a moment to review the About section, the rules, and recent posts to make sure it matches what you need. Pay attention to the group's privacy label. Public groups mean anyone can see who's in the group and what they post. Private groups limit visibility, only members can see the content, though the fact that the group exists and who's in it may still be visible. If keeping a low profile matters, a private group is generally the safer choice. Also check if the group uses anonymous posting for members. While that hides your name on posts inside the group, it does not hide your membership from admins or necessarily from others, depending on the group's settings. When you're ready, click Join Group. Some groups will add you instantly, while others require admin approval or a short questionnaire. Answer honestly and keep it straightforward. If there are membership questions, only the admins and moderators will see your responses. After you join, you can browse content quietly. To minimize visibility, avoid reacting to or sharing posts outside the group, and keep notifications to personal alerts rather than public interactions. That's it. Go to Facebook, open groups, head to Discover, select a group and click Join Group. Be thoughtful about the group's privacy type and you'll keep your activity as discreet as Facebook allows. Thanks for watching and take care.